outages, a big problem with heavy snow weighing down power lines.
CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli joins us live in Elmhurst with a first-hand look at one of those problem areas. Mike, good morning.
Hi, we're on Randolph Street right here. Right now you can see there's a line of police tape right here, and as we push in with the camera back there, you can see another line of police tape, and behind that you can see the street has obviously been plowed. Between the two lines of tape, obviously they have yet to get a plow here, and here is why. As we push in with the camera, you can see a couple of high voltage power lines that are dangling from this power pole right here on the middle of Randolph Street. This is a situation repeated all over the ComEd coverage zone. They have 3.8 million customers, and at its peak, as of last check, 346,000 customers were without power. They were able to restore power to 170,000 customers. About 167,000 customers are still without power at this hour. Of course, it's a very vast area that they've covered, north all the way to Woodstock, south to Pontiac, and out west all the way to Sterling, so a huge area. This is obviously an area where perhaps not that many people are affected. They're concentrating usually on the power lines that affect a large number of customers. They get to those first, then they get to these areas. But I have to tell you, literally 1 minute ago, a woman pulled over on Berkeley Avenue, which is just out of camera view right now, and she yelled to me, "Where is ComEd? This is ridiculous. It's been out since 11:45 last night." So obviously the level of frustration still up there. Reporting live in Elmhurst, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Back to you.